Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching algebraic notation. So the first thing I'm going to introduce you to is just simplifying. So we're going to start off with A, simplifying. So the first sums I'm going to be using here would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And when you look at this, you would look at how many 2's do I have? And in actual fact, we would say we have 5 lots of 2. Okay, and so therefore we're going to write 5 times 2, and my answer simplified would be 10. Now looking at an example with letters, which is our variables, we could do the very same thing. We would say A plus A plus A plus A plus A. And here we would look at it as 5 lots of A. And so 5 lots of A would be 5 times A, which would give you 5A. Now remember, when you're multiplying a numerical value to a variable, you're going to put the numerical value first, followed by the variable, which is your letter. Okay, number 3. We're going to look at just a variety of some sums now. We'll be simplifying. So I'm going to use a few examples here. Number 1, you're going to simplify something like 5 times m. Okay, so numerical value followed by your variable, so that's 5m. Number 2, we have something like 6 times 2b. So here we multiply it out. 6 times 2 is 12, and then the b, so that's 12b. The next one is 3. For number 3, we're going to look at something like maybe q times p times 7. So when we have a sum like this, we're going to write our variables in alphabetical order. First, we would start by our numerical value, which is 7, and then p times q is qp, but in alphabetical order it would be pq. Okay, then let's look at another example. Here we've got one like this, where we have b times a plus c times b. When you get one like this, you are definitely going to remember BODMAS, and you must remember to do your multiplication first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at b times a, and in alphabetical order it would be ab plus c times b, which is bc. Now we cannot add these two together, and the reason why we cannot add these two together is because they are unlike terms, and that would be your final answer. Okay, going on, we will look at another one, and I'll do it here. Number 5, we have something like 5 minus x times y times 2. So here we're going to do multiplication first, that's for sure. And so we're going to have 5 minus x times y times 2. We're going to start with 2, our numerical value, x, y. Now we cannot add or subtract these two, as they are unlike terms. So you would leave your answer like that. Okay, next one, number 6. We have 8 times m plus n. So if you get something like this, it's basically saying 8 multiplied by m plus your 8 multiplied by n. So here we could write it like that, 8m plus n. And then we would use our distributive law. We would multiply, we would say 8 multiplied by m plus your 8 multiplied by n. And so when we work it out, we're going to have 8m plus 8n. Okay, let's do one more. Number 7, we have 4 times d minus 2. And we do the same thing as the previous sum. We'd go d minus 2. Okay, and so here we're looking at multiplying the two together. You're going to go 4 times d and 4 times negative 2. So we're going to have here 4 times d is 4d minus 4 times 2, 8. And so that would be the way you would work this out using your distributive law. Okay, let's go into a different type. So the next type we're going to look at is simplifying using, so here we're going to be simplifying using product notation. Okay, using product notation. Now remember, product means your answer, your multiplication here. So simplifying using product notation. Let's have a look what we're going to do here. So we've got a situation like this. Number 1, you're going to have b plus b plus b. Right, so that's going to be 3 lots of b, which would give you 3b. Number 2, we've got x plus y plus y plus y plus your 4. Okay, so if we're working through that, we've got 2 lots of x's, so that would be 2x, plus 3 lots of y's, so that will be 3y, plus your 4. Now, we do not, that's your final answer. You cannot add them together as they are unlike terms. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, we have y minus a plus a plus a plus a. So here we have y minus 4 lots of a. So we're going to go 4a, and that would be your final answer. Number 4, 2 plus a plus b plus b plus a. So here we're going to add our like terms together. So we've got 2 plus, how many a's do we have? We have 2 a's, so it's 2 plus 2a, plus how many b's do we have? We have 2 b's plus 2 b's. And we do not add these together because they're unlike terms. Now I'd like you to follow on to my next video where I will be explaining what are variables, monomials, binomials, trinomials, and linking up with terms, what's a coefficient, etc. More videos to follow. Please do follow me on the next video. Thanks.